It starts with rethinking what our company is and how we deliver value. So that platform company concept, and not that you'll see that in our advertisements out in the marketplace, but that
Sure.
way of thinking about the business, I think it starts there. There's no doubt that we're in a unique position, particularly with so much focus on helping to eliminate barriers to savings and also democratizing best practices in institutional investing and in advice and wealth management. We have a tremendous innovation opportunity to bring all that together for our clients and for our partners. And I think this is where our independence serves us well at Ascensus. We we're in a position to help our asset management partners and help our advice and wealth management partners better engage and ultimately better serve our collective mutual clients. If we're talking about nudges or a client experience that injects some form of advice or extends a workplace relationship into an ongoing retail relationship, we're not looking to capture those opportunities for ourselves, but we have the technology and the infrastructure to help engage our partners in serving these 16 million savers. So that's something that frames some of our innovation. But like innovation has been in our DNA. We were one of, if not the first firm to really focus on price transparency and open architecture in the marketplace going back decades. More recently, we were innovators in the early stages of the 529 marketplace, the state facilitated retirement plan market, the ABLE market, very early to the game around PEPs and 316 and fiduciary capabilities. I think we were the first firm to incorporate and embed financial wellness into our offer without charging for it on an explicit basis. We're going to be leaders in injecting, finding ways to democratize private investments in our ecosystem. But the foundation of that really, and this gets to your map of sort of fintech and some of the real advantage that they have in terms of clean technology from which they're built. A lot of our innovation is focused on technology and back-end infrastructure. We were one of the first scale record keepers to recognize you need to have purpose-built technology systems for each one of the major markets that you serve. Don't try and
Yes.
lever a single system to serve all potential opportunities in a market. When you combine those purpose-built systems with really strong modular technology and digital interfaces, then you're able to really take advantage of the scale and deliver higher quality, more efficiency, more end-to-end ease in the way that our clients work. We were early in agile. I think we're leading the pack in AI, and that's going to be a critical area of technology focus in the years ahead, not only from an efficiency and quality perspective in the way we deliver service, but also as you think about enabling growth for our partners and also improving our own sales velocity internally. So a lot going on there. We're proud of sort of the DNA of innovation in this business, but we can't rest on those laurels.
If and when you're ready at some point, that could be its own conversation, is really to talk about the emerging tech and particularly AI and how that's evolving and the types of things that you guys are doing with that. But let's get to, as we talk about innovation, as you think about it, as a census thinks about it, there are definitely some challenges. And we were talking about how great it can be and all the wonderful things you guys have done and are going to do. But it is, look, we're in a very, I'd say, one of, or maybe the most highly regulated industry, period, and certainly in financial services, because in addition to the other financial services types of firms, we also have Department of Labor and IRS, and we have so many regulatory bodies overlooking us. We have folks who are trying to create a federal plan. We have just so much compliance and laws and a fairly convoluted distribution system too.
Yeah.
So a lot that makes this very challenging.